How can I check if a key exists in a dictionary? Let's say I have an associative array like so. Key 1 colon 22, key 2 colon 42. How can I check if key 1 exists in the dictionary?
Associative arrays are called dictionaries in Python, and you can learn more about them in the types documentation.
If you want to retrieve the key's value if it exists, you can also use. If you want to retrieve a default value when the key does not exist, use value equals the .getKey default underscore value. If you want to set the default value at the same time in case the key does not exist, use value equals a .setDefaultKey default underscore value.
Another method is as_key, if still using Python 2.x.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.